All right, guys. Happy Tuesday to everybody. We got Victor here going to start the party off with a box of 2018 NT Soccer. All right, man. Let's see what we got. All right, number 13 of 25, Andre Silva, Portugal base. Base Matuidi, number to 99 jersey, France. German piece, Mats Hummels, number to 99. Jersey of Anthony Martial to 99. France. Jumbo patch. This one's number 235. It is Paulo Dybala, Argentina. 2 colors. Booklets. Numbered 4 of 35. It is Andrea Bellotti and Antonio Candreva. Italy combo. All right, then we've got a redemption for debut signatures bronze of Quincy Promes. Quincy Promes. Portugal autograph to 99. Ruben Neves. We have a jersey autograph. This is Northern Ireland. 33 of 99, Gareth McCauley. And we'll finish up with a bronze debut signatures. The 16 of 25 of Mickey Batshuayi. And that rounds out box number 1. All right, buddy. As is always, you started the case. If you want to keep going, just let me know. Appreciate it. Get it back.